Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Firebase Authentication setup, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Firebase website by entering firebase.google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete the verification process. After signing in, you will be redirected to the Firebase console. In the console, click on Add Project to start a new Firebase project. Provide a name for your project in the designated field. Select your Google Analytics preferences according to your requirements. Click Create Project to initialize your new Firebase project. Once the project setup is complete, click Continue to access your project dashboard. In the left sidebar, find and click on Authentication. In the Authentication section, click on the Get Started button. Now, you will see the Authentication Settings page. To enable sign-in methods, click on the Sign-in Method tab. Here, you will see a list of available authentication providers. Select the preferred sign-in method, such as email/password or Google. Toggle the switch to enable your selected sign-in method. For email/password, you will need to click Save after enabling it. If you selected Google, configure the necessary settings and click Save. Now, return to the dashboard by clicking on your project. In the left sidebar, click on Develop, then select Database. Choose the type of database you would like to use, Firestore or real-time. Once you've made your choice, click Create Database. Follow the prompts to configure your database security rules. After setting up the database, return to the Authentication section. To add users, click on the Users tab. Here, you can manually add users by clicking the Add User button. Fill in the user details such as email and password. Click Add User to save the new user. Next, ensure you integrate Firebase SDK into your app. Follow the official Firebase documentation for SDK installation specific to your platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.